Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for today's video. If you're new, hi, this is That's Really Pretty, where we discuss all things beauty and makeup. My name is Ansley. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming on back. So I have a haul video and a question for you guys today. So this is a little drugstore haul that I did, killing time on my way to brunch. And I didn't know anyone at the brunch, so I got really anxious and bought a whole bunch of makeup because that was gonna help. But yeah, in any case, I am gonna show you guys some products, and then I would love if you could comment for me in the comments, like, when it comes to haul videos, like, what else would you like to see? Because I feel like I've asked this question before, maybe on Instagram, maybe in other videos, and I just haven't gotten a good response yet. So I'm ultimately trying to think of content that would be helpful for you guys. And I'm not really sure what to do with haul videos. They're kind of weird. They're like PR videos where you get a whole bunch of stuff and you're like, ooh, look at all the things that I have. And you're like, that's not helpful. So I just want to make sure that my videos are actually helpful for you guys. So I got all this stuff out of Rite Aid. I would say in terms of drugstore options, Rite Aid is the worst when it comes to sales. So I spent a pretty penny on all this stuff, and this is stuff that's at other drugstores that I probably could have gotten on sale in one way, shape, or form. So I would not pick up stuff from Rite Aid, but when it comes to a few drugstore brands, they get things that I can't get in CVS and Walgreens. So it's a toss-up. But let's go ahead and jump on in. I've used one of them. I am taking one back, but I'm probably gonna replace it. So I'll go over all that. So the first thing I got is a nail polish. It's a Sally Hansen Instant Dry Leap-In Lilac nail polish. So right now I've got an Essie nail polish on, and it's got like a purple green shift to it. You can't really see it on camera. It just all looks purple and silver. But I really wanted purple yesterday, and I wanted to wear this to brunch, and I went to the gym instead and then went to church. So I haven't gotten a chance to paint my nails, but this is the exact shade that I was looking for. And next I've got two eyeshadow palettes. Here's my question. Let me know. Do you guys want to just see the haul videos? Do you want to see the product reviews? If I do a haul and then do a product review, then you're just seeing the same content twice. So you're probably like, I wouldn't want to watch two videos on the same thing. So I don't want to like bore you guys with the content. But I feel like I could at least do one look with each of these, especially this one, considering was it Too Faced? I think it was Too Faced. They had like an April Fool's palette that was basically all these shades, and people were like, no, we want this. They're like, no, JK, we're not making that. So a whole bunch of brands have come out and have kind of put together a green and blue palette. And I saw this in the drugstore and I was like, this looks exactly like that palette. So I was thinking about trying this out. And then I just have yet to get my hands on one of these. So this is a Wet n Wild, not a basic peach palette. So it's got like a little look on the back. Here are the shades. I would be more than happy to do a look with these two palettes. Just let me know. I probably end up will doing them. So I have to get better about telling you guys my channel philosophy. So whenever I buy something, I look for reviews first, and I have a hard time finding like dedicated videos, or that's one issue I have, or I have a hard time finding things in my skin tone. So when I started my channel, I wanted to create like this wide, just bank of videos that are really short, really simple, really quick. They show you one product at a time. They get right to the point. You can see the review. So when you're standing in CVS, you're standing in Ulta, and you're like, do I want this? Do I not? You know, my video pops up and you can spend a few minutes watching it versus like digging through someone's haul video, digging through a get ready with me where there's just 10 other products being used. You know, I want to kind of fill that gap in the market. So I think it would be helpful to do individual videos on this, but let me know what your thoughts are. And yeah, that'd be great. If one person could comment down below, I would really appreciate you. So next I've got the product that I'm gonna have to take back. This is the Almay Best Blend Forever Makeup. Comes with a weird sponge at the bottom. I'm not using that. You can just twist it off and you can just use a little applicator right there. So I will insert a picture, I think. I'll scoot over. I'll insert a picture right here. This is just too light for me, and so just so you know, this is a really thin foundation and it looks like a tanner version of itself. So I don't even think if you built this up you would get this color, but I thought this is in the shade, I think caramel, I believe. Yeah, caramel, 190 caramel. I'm gonna have to go at least a shade down. And even at that, like, this would be an okay shade for spraying. I might go 2 shades down, 1 to 2 shades. We shall see. But yeah, this one is too light, but it seems like a nice everyday foundation. It's got SPF 40 in it, which is awesome. It's one of the higher SPFs that I've seen, but this one's a little too light. And lastly, we've got a brow product. So this is the Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. All right, I'm gonna show this to you guys because I'm not gonna make a dedicated video about it. That would just be nonsense. Actually, I might. You guys let me know. I'm just gonna show this one to you guys. So this is by Maybelline. This is in the shade Deep Brown. I was a little skeptical of the shade, but this has little fibers in it. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. But you're supposed to be able to just like flick it through, and it's supposed to just add volume. Oh wow, that works. Hold on, you can see like right here. So it's a little bit tricky to use. You got to be kind of careful with the wand and just kind of drag it through. You guys can see a little bit of a difference. All right, I will do a dedicated video on this in case you don't end up watching my haul videos, because not everyone is in the hauls. But all right, let's do a little something. I wanted to pick up something that was going to kind of help with my eyebrows a little bit, but I was like, I'll try something new. The Sephora sale is going on right now, but I didn't want to necessarily pick up like an Anastasia product, but I kind of like this. Kind of nice. Oh. And this is like 10 or 12 bucks. 12 seems a little pricey, but this is in the shade 260 Deep Brown. And yeah, check out my other videos. I will link as many as I can depending on the order that these go up in. So I'm trying a new primer I have the dedicated video on. I have dedicated videos for my Sephora haul, and this is like Sephora haul makeup. So I picked up a new bronzer and the new eyeshadow palette. So check those out if you want to see those in action. All right, guys, did I say everything? Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment any questions down below. What are your drugstore picks right now? Is anything that is new in the drugstore of interest to you? Did I not pick up something that you wanted to see? Let me know in the comments, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Take care, you guys, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.